Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Mukati, faculty of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we are discussing about organization of hospital. Hospital organization. What is hospital organization? Organization is defined as a dynamic process in which various managerial activities bring and bind people together for the achievement of common goals and objectives. Most important body of a hospital is the governing body, board of directors and board of trustees. What is governing body? The governing body is responsible for framing of all major policies, plans and programs of any hospital. Governing body is divided into two parts. First is committees and second is hospital administrator. Committees. Committees is also divided into subtypes: executives, finance, development, public relation. Various committees are appointed by governing body. It appoints a hospital administrator to guide the various functions performed like clinical service, nursing service, pharmacy service, etc. Then second is hospital administrator. Hospital administrator is also divided into subtype: clinical service, ambulatory service, administrative service, nursing service, pharmacy service, etc. A detailed review of these services performed by any organization is given us under. First, nursing service. What is nursing service? This department is the largest and an important part of any hospital as it functions for all the 24 hours. Nurses are assigned a specified number of beds. Nurses have to give personal attention to the patients. The nursing director is the in charge of nursing service. Second point is outpatient service. Outpatient service include comfort for outpatient as they come for their major or minor illness. These services make the hospital truly a community institution. The hospital should provide diagnostic, preventive and curative service to the outpatient. Third point is radiological service. These services are performed under the direction of a competent radiologist. It includes utilization of various equipment like sonography, X-ray, ECG, CT scan, etc. Fourth point is central supply services. All the medical and surgical supply services are meant for diagnosis, treatment, prevention, research, and education. Next, point 5, hospital pharmacy service. It controls the pharmacy operations in any hospital, and this department also fills prescription. Hospital pharmacy functions being with procurement of drugs and finishes with their distribution to outpatient and inpatients. Point 6, medical records. Medical records are the valuable reference material as they help medical and paramedical staff for evaluation. Point 7, storage. Storage generally receive, store and issue the materials against requisition form of various departments and wards in the hospital.